The first leg semifinals of the inaugural JFF Lynk Cup take place on Friday at the Stadium East Field and will feature 3 of the 4 teams who are still in contention for the Premier League title. Jerome Foster has our preview.
Second place finishers in the Jamaica Premier League regular season, Cavalier, are brimming with confidence ahead of their first leg clash with last season's JPL runners-up Dunbeholden. Dunbeholden sneaked into the Premier League playoffs with consecutive matchday victories to finish 6th. However, Friday's encounter is completely different as the St. Catherine team overcame a first leg deficit to send Tivoli Gardens packing on penalties. After a mid-season struggle, assistant coach Jermaine Thomas says things have started to fall into place for Dunbeholden.
I mean, we had lost Fabian in the Waterhouse game, and Nikai was out for a long period. I think he came back at a very, very crucial time. And then our technical director came back at a very, very important time as well. So I think that made, some amount of difference.
Cavalier have the psychological edge over their opponents with 2 wins in their league matchups this season. But their technical director, Rudolph Speed, is not banking on the past.
Well, it's a good thing we don't have a break. We're able to play every week. But Dunbeholden, I'm sure, is on a high after beating the preseason favourites, Mount Pleasant. So it's going to be a difficult match. It's going to be a match start all over again. They have brought back some of their players. Their technical director is back. Difficult team to beat. But we will be probably feeling our strongest team because we're just playing once a week. And our plan is to try and see if we can get a positive result.
The match is set to kick off at 8 p.m. Defending JPL champions Harbour View opposed Portmore United in the first match of the doubleheader. Portmore narrowly missed out on a Premier League playoff spot, but used a 4-3 aggregate score to topple Mullines United in the quarterfinals. Head coach of the Stars of the East, Ludlow Bernard, is in no mood to be caterers to the team that has only one objective remaining for the season.
We have to be handling the situation a little bit differently because we would have qualified from possibly about 2 games out. So it's all about re-establishing the motivation to be very, very competitive come this weekend.
The match is set to kick off at 5:30. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.